I'm going to be bringing you guys some information on how you can be pre approved for a credit card with bad credit. Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you are new here, then welcome. But we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Today, I am bringing you guys Mission Lane. Now, I have done a review on their credit card before, and I did have their Mission Lane credit card a few years ago. Now, this credit card is good for people with no credit or with bad credit, or let's just say you just came out of a bankruptcy. Now, the good thing about this credit card is you can be pre approved for this credit card with no hard impact to your credit score whatsoever. So, let's just say you were denied. It would not be a hard inquiry on your credit profile. Now, if you do accept the terms and the conditions, there will result in a hard inquiry. Now, as I did mention, I did have this credit card a few years ago when I had bad credit. Now, I do recommend applying for this credit card if you have a low 500 credit score and above. Now, this lender does pull from Equifax. So before you apply for this credit card, please make sure that your credit profile is unlocked or that will result in a denial of your application. Now, this credit card did help me build my credit and start my credit card journey. You will see a temporary dip in your credit score, but that should clear up within the second payment once that payment is made. Also, you can get this credit card with bad credit. And another thing about this credit card is it is a unsecured credit card with a new high limit. So initially, a few years ago, the credit limit for this credit card was roughly between $300, maybe $400. But now they have a new credit line, which is up to $4,000. Now, it is some pros and cons with this credit card. It might not be the best credit card for you, but for people that are looking to be approved for a credit card with no hard impact and with bad credit, this credit card can definitely help. Now, this credit card does have a high annual fee of $59. The APR on purchases are between 26.99% all the way up to 29.99%. Another thing about this credit card is there is no balance transfers allowed. And also, you can get a credit limit increase after 7 months of making your payment on time. There is no security deposit required in order to be approved for this credit card. Another good thing about this credit card is you can get an instant decision whether you have been approved or denied just in 60 seconds. Now, as you guys can see, you can go ahead and click to see if you're approved. Again, you can get an answer in just under 60 seconds whether or not you have been approved. The application process is very simple and straightforward. They ask you for your name, your date of birth, your address, your social, and you must also have a check-in or savings account in order to be approved for this credit card. So again, if you have bad credit, this can definitely be a great starter credit card for your credit card journey, and you can definitely see an increase in your personal credit just after the second initial payment of making your payment with this credit card lender. Now, if you have a decent credit score or are able to get other credit cards, then I would recommend, but this is just for people that are looking for credit cards with bad credit or with no credit, or just looking to see if you could be pre-approved. So if you guys are looking for a credit card, limit or a credit card up to $4,000, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.